Take a ride in 2017 Caravan. The Dodge Caravan invented the minivan, offering an especially useful amount of room in a surprisingly easy-to-drive package. The Caravan quickly became the new synonym for family transportation and spawned competitors from all sides, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, traction control, remote start, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, hard disk drive media storage, four-wheel disc brakes, hands-free communication, CD player. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.